Welcome, in front of me I have OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. And fingerprint sensor you can find on the back, it's right here. So let's make the test and let's see how it performs. So sometimes it doesn't recognize my fingerprint. When I put my finger on the scanner, I feel vibration, and it means that it doesn't recognize my fingerprint. So I can say that it's reliable, unfortunately, and the speed is not like really fast, but we have to take a look at the price of that smartphone. It's not expensive phone, so we cannot expect a lot from that fingerprint sensor. So I mean, I use a lot of smartphone with faster fingerprints. This one looks honestly not good, but it works at least. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.